I feel like artists, as an artist, you can have a situation where
People them don't know the type of thing.
yeah, me have a theory. Me have a theory is in a Jamaica, you work hard for boss, but you work twice as hard for unboss. Me feel like enough man, you will get all 5 hit song and you just it's like you work so hard for just unboss yourself. Like you just need like you say, me need to release 7 garbage so me can fall off. Because them 5 songs are too hot.
We are shell the place. We are too much right now.
Like, me I shell the place right now. Me not like this. Me need 7 more madness so people forget about me.
Well, when people say me thing now, I'm just...
Yeah.
Like them stop click. Me need to stop click on my
Me need to
thing
hurry up and unboss. And me see that so much time where it's like, yeah, demand this right now. And them just say, watch your style, yeah. DJ Max, send me 7 of the song them with dash way. When they throw it in the rubbish bin, him just walk back here and take them out of the rubbish bin. And even tell us, say, I release them. Say, yeah, man, the streets are going to love this, you know. Yeah, man.
Wait till they hear them one, yeah.